Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you two ways you can reduce the poly count in SelfCAD. One traditional way, how it works in any other software, and one that is unique to SelfCAD. So to get started, I have here a cube that has a lot of details. If you look into the wireframe, you have to zoom in to see the amount of details. It says a total of almost 25,000 polygons. So you can reduce it in a regular way that you go to simplify object that you have in any other application. But in this case, this will take quite a lot to reduce all of this. So let me show you a much easier way in SelfCAD, and I'll explain the differences between them. So you go to resolution. This is where you can use, actually, this is how I added the details to this. I made resolution 6, but few people know that you can actually make it the inverse also. So if I make resolution 0, look at this. To finalize it takes like a millisecond, and it's done. You have 6 faces, so this is where it is. So let me explain the difference between resolution 0 and this one. So before I explain that, I want to go show another thing about resolution. I'm going to go add, let's say, now a little less details. Let's say number 3. That should be fine. So I'm adding details, and now I'm going to go to my bending, and I'm going to bend this a little bit, just slightly, just a little bit like this. So now let's take a look. We have 384 faces. I'm going to go now to resolution 0, and I'm going to make it basically like this. Look what happened. From 384 we got it down to 50, but not the minimum to 6, because what's happening is this resolution will always simplify the object to its basic polygons, which a polygon in this case means the same idea we have over here, polygon to select. It means everything that is flat. So in this case, all of the details on this side and the same on the bottom side were not needed, because there's no creases, no bending, no twisting on it, so it could be simplified. Some of the faces over here were able to be simplified. Over here, nothing was removed, because anything you remove will kind of reduce from the roundness. And this is where the difference becomes from simplify object. I mean, you can do resolution 0 now again, and nothing will change. It will never change. So, because this is a guarantee that it will never reduce any details. Whereas simplify object is a traditional way in any other application. If you go now simplify, you can start seeing this. I got it down to 58. Let's say, let's make it number 2. So if you're doing over here to 48, and as you can see, the more I'm doing it, it will start reducing more and more details. But at the end of the day, if you see now, look what's happening. It reduces from all over. Yes, it has some algorithms that will try to keep it in shape. I mean, it's relatively rounded. If you would apply this to the original object, it had 25,000 faces almost. You will barely see the changes, but at the same time, it wouldn't remove as much as we removed from 25,000 to 6 polygons. It would never do that. It's a total different function. So the idea from this function, simplify, that's the traditional algorithm works in any other application. It tries to keep the shape as much as possible, and it sees where it could remove and so on, but it removes it basically from the entire object. And it won't remove that much. You'll have to do it over and over to get the expected results, and at that point the shape would already be deformed. Whereas resolution 0 will never change anything, and it will keep everything intact, which is really a remarkable feature of SelfCAD. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know if you want me to explain anything else. Thank you, bye.